Hello and welcome to Nidhi's Creative Zone. Today I am going to share with you recipe of delicious pan modak without using any mold and without gas that you can make easily at home. So quickly check out the recipe to make pan modak. So here I have taken one betel leaf or pan leaf. I have already washed and dried the leaf, and now you have to remove the hard stem of the leaf. And now tear apart and remove any hard stem from the leaf as I am showing you here, because we need only the soft part from the leaf. Now after that, cut the leaf, or you can tear apart using your hand however you feel comfortable, and cut it into smaller pieces as I am showing you here. We need very teeny tiny pieces, and this is how I have cut into very teeny tiny pieces. Now next thing, we need 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Take a bowl and add 1 cup of desiccated coconut. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of condensed milk, betel leaf that we have chopped approximately 1 tablespoon, and now give it a quick mix. I will show you the closer view after mixing what is the texture of this mixture. After that, add the green food color. This is totally optional. If you like it, you can add it. And now rose essence. Instead of rose essence, you can use cardamom powder or kebra water. And now give it a quick mix until the food color mix with the mixture properly. And if the mixture is little dry, then add 1 tablespoon of condensed milk and the dough is ready as you have seen here. Now for the filling, here I have taken 1 tablespoon of gulkan or rose petal jam. Basically that is rose petals cooked in sugar syrup. And these are some chopped dry fruits. Here I have taken cashews, pistachios and almonds, and 1 tablespoon of desiccated coconut. Now mix everything and combine well. Gulkan is little sticky, so it will combine easily as you have seen here. After it's combined well, now take a small portion from this mixture, approximately 1/4 teaspoon. Now roll it in between your palm and make a small ball, and this is the first ball ready. Set it aside. Similar way, take small portion from this mixture and make small balls. Make sure not to make the big balls for the stuffing because the gulkan flavor is so strong. Similar way, take small portion from this stuffing and make the gulkan balls. And here I have prepared total 10 balls out of that mixture. So now we'll start preparing the modak. Here is the stuffing balls are ready and the desiccated coconut modak dough is ready. Now take a lemon size portion from this mixture that we have prepared. Now roll it in between your palm and press it, and after that start pressing it as I am showing you here. After that, take one gulkan ball or rose petal jam ball and now start pressing it and bring all the sides in the center as I am showing you, and start pressing it and just pull all the mixture towards the upward direction as I am showing you here. And now try to give it a shape with your fingers. Press it slowly, and if you feel the dough is sticky, apply little bit of ghee, and now using toothpick give the shape of perfect modak. Press it little hard, apply the ghee, and this is how the first modak is ready. Place it into the separate plate. I'll show you one more time. Take one lemon size portion from this dough, press it from the center and make a cavity. Now take one gulkan or rose petal ball and now start combining in the center of this ball and slowly start pulling upward direction. And now for the second method, you can use the fork, and this is the second modak ready. Similar way I am going to prepare rest of the modak and then I will show you. And this is how the modak looks like after I have finished all those, and nobody will tell you by the texture that you have made these modak without the mold and without the gas. And you can make these modak ahead of time and store it for up to 1 week. And if you like this recipe of delicious and easy pan modak, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and do let me know in the comment section below how you like this recipe. Thank you.